Hey kids, let's learn the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are the five vowels. These are the five vowels. These are the five vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Now let's see some words having these vowels. A says a. A in cat. C, a, D, cat. A in rat. R, a, T, rat. E says a. A in bed. B, a, D, bed. A in red. R, a, D, red. These are the five vowels. These are the five vowels. These are the five vowels. I says a. A in sit. S, A, T, sit. A in zip. Z, A, P, zip. O say O. O in dog. D, O, D, dog. O in dog. C, L, O, C, K, clock. U says O. O in sun. S, O, N, sun. O in bus. B, O, S, bus. A, E, I, O, U. These are the five vowels. These are the five